Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is AKHYARDI. My number student is 19101041. So now I want to tell about my this year's maybe all Indonesian student really felt bad about this online lecture. But the training is not good. The training can only understand a little or inside. What is not understood, I can find out in this online learning, and we can take advantage of learning like now. So, in my opinions, in the future, it will be better in this learning is done offline because it is very different from the income of knowledge, and it will be more better face to face with the teacher and with all my friends. And then that's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.